Last Saturday, September 13th, I joined a hackathon using Trae ecosystem. Especially, I was interested in trying out SoloBuilder. 7 hours hackathon event. I want to walk you through my process building my app under the category of health and wellness section. SoloBuilder. I was trying to experiment if I can use SoloBuilder to build an app and to play around with the interface to see how the software works. And then I was really impressed with all the screen generated and the integration. It can connect with the AI service provider, the payment service. So here's basically the project I was thinking of. It's called Playdate. Playdate is an app for parents to find activities for the kids to do and also organize plans with other families and be able to host or coach organized play date, and so they will get paid with a Stripe account. So this is basically what Trae created for me. The service architecture, the payment gateway service. So pretty cool. And then the ability of it, like actually very fast to be able to generate the code and debug, connect to Figma, which is really intuitive. You can just like select a friend and add it to open the Figma, or you add an image, and then you can also optimize your input, which I haven't seen it in other UI generated softwares. So this is quite impressive. You can use Cloud for Sonic. I wonder if you can choose different model, but now it's like pretty straightforward. You can actually select and add it. So here is a sign up, create account interface. Basically the signed in, I want the user to be able to log in with Google or WhatsApp. So then enter email address, password. So basically this is the layout I was looking for. It's interactive, so it's not that bad. So create account, I have 3 steps. So let's give this a try and I'll show you if I was able to connect to Supabase. Create password. You have to have 6 character in here, and then you just enter the zip code. And then if you are interested in hosting, you will continue to fill out the form. So you can select the frequency, how often you want to host, the structure, per child rate, and let's say just 15. Yes. Or maybe it will be outdoor activity. We can always refine later. This is the second step, right? The third step, you can also go back to the last step and come back. Doesn't work that way. You're not missing any information. You just fill up. You go to fill up your kid's profile. Let's say my kid's name is Tom. Select school. You can be typing your own kid's school. This is just placeholder. The goal is from K to grade 5, and now it generates until grade 12. This can change later. My kids interested in art, voguing, science, and sport. Up to 3. Contact, emergency contact. This is random. Relationship, grandparent, complete. So you can see in Supabase, and this should go to the fee, but it doesn't show up. So now I'm in Supabase in the folders of the Playdate folder. Is my project name. So during the time in hackathon on Saturday 13th, it was able to show here the account. The name was supposed to be there, but it didn't show. There's some connection issues with Supabase, but I was able to resolve the issue on the day of hackathon, but it doesn't show up now. But I still want to continue to show you the interface, how the interface looks like. It's logging with the email address provided on Saturday. Today is Monday. And then Saturday work, and then today they see, okay, I can log in with a user account I created on Saturday during the hackathon, but it doesn't work today. But basically you can search activities. I was able to link this to the open browser connected with Perplexity to search for activities. But right now it's not working. So you give me like refresh feed, finding amazing activity for your parents. So what's cool about this, last time when it worked, you can actually search, populate it. Those are the information, the data search from the web internet. So those are like activities, but those titles are not descriptive enough. So this is this week pay event outdoor fun. So the way of browsing it wasn't that intuitive. The UI, the experience is a little bit off, but this is the idea updated today, but it's the title wasn't very descriptive, and this like what kind of music is this? But yeah, this is different version. Every time when I generate populated the activity page, and then you give me a different result. The other day, and you just give me the website, I can link to the website for the activity event page, which is pretty neat, but now it's not like that. Something need to be fixed. But basically you can search activity, create a plan. They say it's build a Lego car. So it's like the car can move. You have to do a little bit wiring, and so you can have AI generate the description of the Lego car activity. So join us for a delightful afternoon at the place, building a Lego car with a little one. So it could be with family or without family. So the description could be really general, and you can modify it. So basically it's like a canvas for you to build on top of it. So you choose the date, whichever day you want to, and the time, duration, and then you select a fee, which you need to connect to your wallet. You can get in-app credit, or you can get payout. So location-wise, recommended locations for you to create a playdate. And then after you create a playdate, you can like send an invite, or you can skip for now. You send an invite, so you can see upcoming. This didn't populate here, so there's another layer for the organizer, or the app authority, the admin for the app, to review if the event is if everything meets the criteria. There's a following guideline for the parents to follow in order to create an event. So the home, you can browse the events during Easy Playdate. So here's the upcoming Playdate, and something interesting here is also emergency safety first when you organize event. So we don't need 911 here, but it's just a placeholder. The emergency contact is already under the person's profile or something. So something I want to try is after integrate with Supabase, you create a user account and verification of that, and then like how does a parent get paid? What's the wallet structure looks like? So the wallet recent transaction, there's history of a recent transaction to show. You can add another wallet. You can do cash out. You can transfer your money to your bank. So I think in 7 hours I was able to create this app, and then this is just mind-blowing with the document already created, and website table, initial data, and then browser, and I actually can go and test it out. So this is like iPhone 16 screen size, so you can do like desktop version. It can be responsive. So my experience with SoloBuilder, I'm actually blown away. I'm amazed about the result and what I can build in 7 hours. So great job on the team, and I'm excited to keep trying the product, and I'm looking forward for the next hackathon.